Hello everyone, we have a software product named Jerobyte's Easy Profit for service call management. It has following features: alerts, analytical reports, call management, cloud-based CRM customization, customer services data migration, engineer performance analysis, invoicing and payments, in-house calls, mobile CRM, quotations, revenue projections, role-based permissions, sales management, service engineer. Introduction. Are you tired of juggling multiple tools for service call management? Say hello to Jerobyte, your all-in-one solution for efficient service call management, engineered for excellence. Efficient call management. Streamline your service call workflow with Jerobyte's comprehensive call management feature. From ticket creation to resolution, every step is simplified for swift and effective handling. Elevate customer experiences. Put smiles on your customers' faces with exceptional service. With Jerobyte's cloud-based CRM, you can access client information on the go, ensuring personalized experiences every time. Empower your team. Empower your team with real-time views and filters that provide insights at a glance. Enable your service engineers to excel with the engineer performance analysis feature, optimizing productivity. Revenue maximization. Boost your revenue with accurate revenue projections generated by Jerobyte's powerful analytical engine. Make informed decisions backed by data, and watch your business grow. Customize to your needs. Tailor Jerobyte to your business requirements with customization options that ensure a perfect fit. No two businesses are the same, and Jerobyte understands that. Seal deals faster. Create professional quotations in minutes and enhance your sales management process. Win customers' trust with transparent pricing and quick response times. Stay ahead with insights. Jerobyte's analytical reports offer deep insights into your service operations. Make data-driven decisions that pave the way for continuous improvement. Security and control. Grant role-based permissions to ensure data security. Jerobyte keeps your information safe while allowing authorized personnel to access the right information. Mobile excellence. Manage service calls even on the go with our mobile CRM. Access customer data, update call statuses, and provide timely solutions, all from your fingertips. Seamless workflow. Experience workflow automation that reduces manual tasks and ensures processes move effortlessly. Spend less time managing, and more time delivering quality service. Innovations and updates. Stay ahead of the curve with Jerobyte's regular updates and announcements. We're committed to enhancing your experience with the latest technology. Revolutionize your service calls with Jerobyte's Easy Profit cutting-edge features. Embrace a service call revolution fueled by Jerobyte's Easy Profit cutting-edge capabilities. Experience the transformational impact of streamlined call management, real-time analytical insights, and customer-centric CRM tools. Revolutionize your approach, enhance productivity, and set new standards of efficiency with Jerobyte's Easy Profit by your side. Conclusion. Jerobyte's Easy Profit is not just software, it's a game changer in service call management. Elevate your service standards, boost revenue, and redefine efficiency with Jerobyte's Easy Profit remarkable features. Ready to transform your service calls? Get started today.